Design of college English reading teaching feedback system on the cloud platform. The informationization of social life and the globalization of economy make English more and more important. As one of the most important information carriers, English has become the most widely used language in all areas of human life. In terms of population, English is the world's third largest language after Chinese and Spanish. At present, more than 300 million people in the world use it as their mother tongue. In terms of the scope of use, 3/4 of the information on the internet is written in English. And more than 70% of the world's emails are written in English or addressed in English. More than 60% of the world's radio programs are conducted in English. In international politics, business, culture, trade, transportation, and other fields, English is the communication tool. It is an important link in teaching management to grasp and deal with teaching feedback information in time, which is very important for improving teaching quality. At this stage, higher education pays more attention to the improvement of teaching quality, and more schools even regard it as a key means to improve teaching quality. In order to collect and research teaching feedback information more accurately, we must ensure that the feedback information collected is accurate and timely, so as to improve teaching quality to a greater extent and achieve the purpose of monitoring teaching. Teaching information feedback can let us see the strengths and weaknesses of teachers and themselves, so that we can correct them more accurately and timely, which plays a great role in further improving teachers' teaching quality and teaching level. This system design is based on the current popular BS, browser server structure, and adopts MVC, model, view, and control layer application development and maintenance design mode. It also makes use of the principles and methods of software engineering to carry out systematic analysis, design, implementation, and testing in combination with its own practical characteristics of open English teaching. The overall technical root of the system is mature, and it is carried out in strict accordance with the software engineering development specifications. The following is a brief statement. A database is a warehouse of data storage. It is a collection of large amounts of organized and shared data stored in computers for a long time. Database design is a data management technology that classifies, organizes, encodes, stores, retrieves, and maintains the data obtained in the demand analysis stage. Database design refers to the construction of an optimal database model and the establishment of a database and its application system for a given application environment, so that it can effectively store data and meet various application needs, processing needs, and information needs of users. Generally speaking, database design includes two meanings. The first meaning is, in a broad sense, that is, database design is the design of database and database application system, and is the database application system of the entire management information system. Generally speaking, The database design of the system is based on the standardized design method, combining the whole process of database design and development. The database design of the system is divided into the following 6 stages. The first stage is the demand analysis of the database. The second stage is the conceptual structure design of the database. The third stage is the logical structure design of the database. The fourth stage is the physical structure design of the database. The fifth stage is the implementation of the database. The sixth stage is the operation and maintenance of the database. The college English reading teaching feedback system under the cloud platform installs the technical system on the hardware equipment in order to facilitate the centralized management of components. The software program, database, and information released for task processing are all completed by the server, reducing the workload of the user end. The teaching feedback system, based on the BS network structure and the background database as the core, will serve the users as the goal. Reasonably arrange the curriculum resources, such as the upload of curriculum videos, the processing and maintenance of the test questions, and provide assistance and support for English reading teaching. The system functions include 6 parts as shown in Fig 2. The course management model is divided into 4 parts: course selection, course learning, class management, and statistical analysis. After students register and log in, they can choose courses. After selecting a course, students can start learning the course. Student users can choose to add a course to enter the course interface. Students can see the learning content arranged by the teacher. Click the link of the specific content title to learn the corresponding content. The default course interface will include course management panel. This includes learning group settings, student performance viewing, and course learning activity statistics. Learning activities. Add relevant learning contents and activities to the course content, and list relevant items in the learning activity area, so that users can quickly access relevant types of learning content. The main purpose of the reading teaching module is to publish course content, update the test question bank, and assign English reading tasks for teachers. It provides students with the functions of taking part in reading exercises, completing unit tests, and final exams. Therefore, the reading teaching module mainly involves 3 sub-modules: reading learning, teaching business, and reading test. The reading learning sub-module is mainly divided into extracurricular reading tasks and classroom reading tasks, and the learning results under the 2 tasks will be recorded in the database. The business flow chart of extracurricular reading tasks is the business process for teachers to carry out extracurricular independent reading teaching of college English. The module of score feedback management is mainly intended to provide teachers with the function of marking students' test questions. The results after automatic marking will be recorded in the database for score analysis and evaluation. The performance feedback management module mainly involves 4 sub-modules: automatic marking, formative evaluation, summative evaluation, and learning analysis. The automatic paper reading sub-module mainly involves 2 sub-modules, automatic and manual. The automatic evaluation sub-module is mainly designed for the objective question type in the test, which is processed by comparing with the pre-entered standard answers and scores. The formative assessment sub-module is mainly designed for the learning process in the online teaching of college English reading, assessing students' online learning time and unit test scores. On the one hand, students' usual achievements can be recorded. On the other hand, it can also evaluate students' reading level. First of all, during the course, the teacher prepares English extracurricular or in-class reading assignments for students. After students complete the reading tasks, they submit them to the teacher or are ready to be checked by the teacher. The teacher is responsible for checking and recording the students' completion. Finally, the students' achievements in the learning process are recorded in the score registration form and included in the formative evaluation. The teaching management module provides teachers with a simple and convenient interface for online teaching. Teachers have different functions from learners. Teachers can use the online learning module to organize teaching activities, guide learners to learn, upload materials for learners' reference, and put forward learning requirements and evaluation for each student. The main task of the function module is focused on online learning, where students and teachers communicate synchronously and asynchronously. Users with teachers' identity log in to the teacher's teaching activity system. If online teaching is required, class construction should be carried out first. The maximum number of students in the class should be set, and students in their own class should be selected. System testing is mainly to ensure the quality and reliability of the system. It is the last link in the system development process. The process of executing programs to find errors is called system testing. A successful system test is the discovery of undetected errors. The purpose of system testing is to find all kinds of potential errors with the least labor cost and time cost. Generally speaking, system testing of management information system mainly includes system hardware testing, system software testing, and system network testing. The hardware test and network test of the system can be performed according to specific performance indicators. Generally, the system test refers to the software test of the system. At present, English teaching is facing unprecedented challenges. In the teaching reform carried out in many colleges and universities, the credits and class hours of teaching of English courses are all in reading, which is bound to be challenged. It is difficult to find a balance between the limited classroom teaching time and the large amount of reading intake required in language learning. We must find an effective way to ensure that The quality and quantity of students' English reading can meet the requirements of language acquisition. Therefore, a feedback system for college English reading teaching under the cloud platform is designed. After testing, the system has good task processing performance and concurrency performance, and can be applied to the actual English reading teaching work. Thank you.